Today, we are diving into the dynamic world of smartphones, specifically in China, where Huawei's latest release, the P70 Series, is making waves and challenging Apple's stronghold. Huawei's P70 Series is not just another smartphone release, it's a game changer, especially in China, the world's largest smartphone market. Analysts predict that Huawei is poised to reclaim the top spot in China's smartphone market with the success of the P70 Series. The numbers speak volumes. The P70 Series is projected to ship a staggering 10.4 million units globally this year, a significant leap from its predecessors. But what about Apple, the reigning giant in the smartphone realm? Well, analysts at Tech Insights suggest that Huawei is poised to give Apple's upcoming iPhone 15 and 16 series a run for their money in 2024. With Apple experiencing a decline in sales in China, Huawei sees an opportunity to reclaim its dominance. In fact, experts anticipate Huawei's market share to skyrocket, potentially surpassing 50 million smartphone sales in China alone. But what sets the P70 series apart? Let's delve into the details. The excitement surrounding the launch of the P70 series was palpable, with prices reaching as high as 10,999 yuan, $1,400 for the Ultra version. Consumers were eager to get their hands on these cutting-edge devices. According to Will Wang, a senior research manager at IDC Asia Pacific, the strong initial demand for the P70 series can be attributed to Huawei's stellar brand reputation and strategic marketing efforts. Wang highlights the significance of flagship models like the P series and Huawei's resurgence to the Chinese market, projecting a promising future for the tech giant. Despite facing challenges, Huawei continues to innovate and push boundaries. The P70 series marks their most significant flagship smartphone launch since the Mate 60 Pro in August 2023. From the Mate 60 Pro to the P70 series, Huawei has shown resilience and determination in the face of adversity. Now let's talk about one of the most groundbreaking features of the P70 Ultra, satellite communication. Imagine being able to stay connected with your loved ones even in the most remote locations where regular networks fail to reach. With the P70 Ultra, it's possible. According to Bruce Lee, the satellite picture sending feature works seamlessly through the Changeling app. You can send images via satellite to your contacts, keeping them updated on your adventures or ensuring communication during emergencies. But that's not all. Huawei has also equipped the P70 Ultra with dual satellite communication, allowing users to send text messages or the precise location via satellite. And if you opt for the top-tier model, the P70 series, you'll not only get satellite texting and calling capabilities, but also the ability to edit messages that have already been sent, all without any additional cost. Utilizing the Titan One satellite phone communication system and China's self-developed network, Huawei ensures reliable satellite voice and additional services. With advanced fusion technology incorporating Linksy antenna and AI algorithm, users can expect a more stable communication experience even in areas with weak signal conditions. So there you have it, folks. The Huawei P70 Ultra is redefining smartphone connectivity in China. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, and until next time, peace out.